When is the right time to start planning for aging parents? Attorney Kellen Bryant explains. The right time to start planning for aging parents is as soon as there is a retirement plan and no health scares on the horizon. There will be more planning options on the table when a couple is healthy and their adult children have personalities and behaviors that have settled. We can have a full comprehensive discussion about planning options in the future and how to go about implementing a particular plan. The only drawback to this is that it takes time and money to educate clients, and the amount of education needed may be quite extensive. If there is a seminar provided and the client is willing to pay for preventative advice, then that could help speed up and reduce the cost of the process. However, some preventative actions may not be desirable due to potential loss of control, and many new retirees will wait. The most common time for most people to start planning is usually once the aging parent has left the settled retirement phase. The term settled retirement phase is a unique term that I've created to refer to the time when aging parents have stopped taking multiple vacations a year and more or less stay at home, living a minimally active life. That's a good time to start planning because the parents will not likely see any significant, consistent financial expenses on the horizon, except for the expenses related to aging care. Another very common time to start planning is immediately after a diagnosis of an illness that will cause long-term care needs. The most typical type of illness manifests in the early signs of dementia, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, and other types of degenerative diseases that will ultimately require long-term care. At that time, there needs to be many conversations about losing control or giving control to a caregiver. Just because a client does not come for planning at the right time doesn't necessarily mean that they are too late. It is also very common, and much less preferred, if the aging parent is able to understand, to take action to protect assets when the aging parent needs long-term care nursing home needs. If the parent has assets, we can still take action to protect them. However, the amount of assets that can be protected is much less than if prior planning had been performed. Put your mind at ease and make an appointment to meet with the Berg Bryant Elder Law Group in Jacksonville, Florida today.